Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Learn with Putra. Okay, so today we will learn how to make egg sandwich directly on the frying pan. Because last night I saw in the internet, actually we can directly make an egg sandwich on the frying pan. This morning I will make my breakfast, which is egg sandwich, directly on the frying pan. And as usual, the link for the instruction you can see in the video description. Okay? So the first thing to do is to beat the eggs first. So I will beat the eggs. Okay, I already done. So let's continue to make the egg sandwich in the kitchen. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's start with make the low heat. And next I will put the butter. Okay, it's already heating. Let's put the eggs. Okay. And then, after that, we will put the bread on the top of the egg. After the egg already gets sturdy, like this, we will flip the bread. Okay. And then after that, we will just flip this one. Sup. Sup. Okay. While waiting, we can put the cheese on the top of it. And the last step is just need to flip it. Okay. We check the other part. Okay. Egg sandwich on the frying pan, directly on the frying pan. Okay, that's all guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have another idea for learning with me, you can comment in this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will be notified about my latest video and updates. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye.